Hi all. In this lesson, we are going to do a simple observation about sound. What is meant by sound? Sound is a vibration or disturbance that travel through any medium by transferring energy from one particle to another and can be heard when it reaches our ear. Right. Can sound travel through vacuum in which there is no particles? No. Sound can't travel through vacuum because it needs particles to vibrate. Right. What are we going to observe today is I have taken a buzzer. I am going to switch on this buzzer by placing it inside this and we will observe the sound. Sound travels through air. It vibrates the nearby air particle and one by one it reaches. So now again I am going to switch on this and I am going to place this ball on the top of this glass and stopping the air particles which vibrate from the surface of this glass. Let's observe what happens. So here we have stopped the air particles above this glass by using this object. Still we are able to hear because some air particles are present inside this glass and sound can travel through this glass, that is solid. Next I am going to add water into it and let's observe. Still it is working. We can hear very less sound because sound can travel through solid, liquid and gas. So in three of our observation we could hear sound, but there are some variations. In air the speed of sound will be approximately 330 meter per second, but in solid it will be very high. Sound is a longitudinal wave because it travels backward and forward. Hope you got something about sound. Please try this at home and learn through your experience. Thank you.